Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Spotlight Halo Eye using a mix of the Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette with ColourPop and the Kathleen Lights Zodiac palette with ColourPop. So if you want to see me get my Spotlight Halo Eye, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start off by priming my lids, and I'm going to prime it with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. And then I'm going to set them both with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Fair. And I'm going to do it using this Luxie 207 medium angled shading brush. So I'm first going to go in with the Dream Street palette, and I'm going to take the shade Magical with a Ellie Maya ER12 brush, just a big fluffy brush. I'm going to use this as my transition shade. Alright, and next I'm going to go into the same palette in the shade Shooting Star. And I'm just going to use the same brush and focus this down a little lower. I'm just going to blend the first two shades together. Alright, so next I'm going to go into the Zodiac palette, and I'm going to take the shade The Tourist, which is a little bit deeper of a brown, and focus that a little bit lower. And we're also going to put that across the whole lid. Okay. So now we're going to dip back into the Dream Street palette, and we are going to take the shade Elfish, which is the darker brown, and I'm going to take that on a Glamour Dolls, it doesn't say what kind of brush it is, but it's like a tapered blending brush. I'm going to take Elfish, focus that on my outer corner. I'm going to drag it through my crease. And then I'm also going to focus it on the inner corner. So now that I have it on the outer corner in my crease, And in my inner corner, I'm going to take a little bit of concealer, and I'm just going to use the same Photo Focus concealer that I used previously, and I'm going to take this Bogachi's this Bogachi's concealer brush, and I'm just going to take some of the concealer that I put in the back of my hand and start carving out my halo spot, or my spotlight spot. And now that we have that carved out, I'm going to go back into the Zodiac palette and use this Luxie 245 small shader brush and go into the shade the Aries. I'm going to pick some of that up, and I'm going to pack it on to that halo spot. And now that that orange is laid down, we're going to go back into the Dream Street palette and go back into Elfish and blend this edge a little bit. Now I'm going to take the Ciate London Wonderstruck eyeliner, and I'm going to create a wing. And then I'm going to add some of the Ciate London Wonder Wand mascara. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of the Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Volume Express mascara. Alright, so I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. Alright, and this is the finished eye look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!